Looking for high-quality commercial window tinting in Murfreesboro, TN? Discover how Tint Guy LLC helps protect your business, inside and out. From storefronts to office buildings, we deliver precision tinting with purpose. Our expert team uses premium films to enhance appearance and performance, reduce glare, and create a more comfortable workspace. Boost productivity with cooler temperatures and better lighting control. Tinted windows also help lower energy bills by blocking excessive heat. That's year-round savings your bottom line will love. Protect your investments from damaging UV rays. Our tints help prevent fading on furniture, flooring, and merchandise. Increase privacy without sacrificing natural light. Choose from a wide range of stylish, professional finishes. Our clean, efficient installations work around your business hours. Minimal disruption, maximum impact. Whether you manage a retail space, medical office, or corporate center, we've got the solution to match your building and your brand. Locally owned and trusted in Murfreesboro, backed by years of experience and 5-star service. Call 615-410-3805 today for your free quote. Or visit tintguiles.com to learn more. Tint Guy LLC, where commercial window tinting meets quality and reliability.